Here I have Alcatel OneTouch Watch, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the app on your phone that is connected with your watch. Choose the OneTouch move, choose the left key, and here tap watch, select settings, and here you can choose the language. As you can see, this is the full list of available languages that you can use. For example, you can use the Espanol, and as you can see right now, your language on your phone is in Spanish. So that's it. If you would like to switch into the English, let's choose language one more time, tap English, and that's it. Right now you can use the English version of your smartwatch. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.